Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to return an item to Walmart without a receipt. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side, top screen, we have the search bar where we can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and return an item to Walmart without a receipt. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So basically, what you need to do is of course, you have to have a valid photo. So bring a valid government issued photo Walmart uses to track returns and prevent fraud. Your return will go through a refund verification process. If approved, you have a few options. You can exchange the item for another one. You can receive a Walmart gift card for the item's current sale price. If the item's value is less than 10 US dollars, you might get a cash refund. Some items, like electronics and oversized furniture, may have different return policies and might require a receipt. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.